I have here a Tektronix 2430A digital oscilloscope, and I've done a bit of a workaround because the probes here aren't the original factory ones, they're just generic ones, but they don't have a sense mode on them, so they can't sense, the oscilloscope cannot sense if it's in 10x mode or 1x mode. So at the moment it's in 1x mode and it's reading 2 millivolts. Now what I've done here is I've just made jerry-rigged up a little, this is a 10 ohm resistor. The documentation online recommends an 11k resistor, but I didn't have one in my box, so I just went for the closest thing and it was 10. It just happened to work. It might be borderline, I'm not sure, with other machines. It seemed to work okay with this one, and you can see here when I just, all I have to do is just clamp it on and it's in the 10x range. Oops. Yep, it's in a 10x range now, and I'll just disconnect it and it goes out to 2, and I'll just reconnect it. It's just a pressure fit and it locks on quite nicely, and it just stays there till you finish with it. And it is color, the rings are color coded, so you can just quickly see which ring you've got on for whatever probe setting you have, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty basic, there's nothing much to it. It's just pretty much a 3D printed plastic washer, and I've just used a soldering iron and melted the wire from the resistor in and around, as you can see here. I'll just undo that. You can see I've just melted the wire into the ring, and that's it. And I'd say it would suit other oscilloscopes that have the same sort of arrangement. You can see here it's just, there's like a little isolated collar around the BNC connector, and if that's connected via a resistor or if it's grounded, depending on the type of the number of the resistance, or if it's just straight grounded, it will change the mode of the oscilloscope probe, either 1x, 10x or 100x. I think 100x is if it's just straight grounded, 10x is an 11k ohm resistor. Now just be aware that this one here is a 10k ohm. I didn't have an 11k ohm, so, but it seemed to work, so I'd say there's a slight tolerance difference, so it'll accept a few different value resistors. It didn't accept, I tried an 18k ohm resistor, it did not work, so this 10k did work.